Good morning to all the beautiful people who stand here. This is one moment in my life where I'd like to thank my parents for all the things that they have done and have always unconsciously given all the years of coming to school. Dear mom and dad, I am your beloved daughter, wandering around in the house thinking I am 4 years old and will stop me from breaking things. I love both of you with all my heart and soul. This is me, your carbon copy, trying to do everything with your help and guidance at each small step towards success. We all believe that parents are like that, but here I would love to confirm that the indeed are one of our lives, of their children's lives, providing food, shelter, guidance, and everything that they could, from first breath into this world to making sure we don't fall at any point of our lives. This is all just to make sure we live life more. Thank you, Mom and Dad, without you both still holding my hands before I came to this stage. I have not been able to make this happen. You are the foundation stone to each step I take in life. You can't forget our parents' contribution in any of our success in our life, no matter what the field is. But if you look back, we all will realize that it was our parents who never held us back from doing our part, from making mistakes. They know the truth of life long before we do. That is why sometimes they say, I've given birth to you. I know it better. And understand why we should always listen to them in any difficult situation. We all love our parents, but we often forget to tell them how grateful we are or in the first place that we love them. So I am here, telling my dearest parents that I love you both. And I have not asked anything more than you two beautiful people in my life. Giving birth and nurturing me to the person I am today, I am thankful for each and everything you taught me and gave me. I wish I never lose you both. At last, I'd like to recite a beautiful line from my greatest parent. This word means nothing without you, but this word means everything when I see you. I hope I bring peace, health, and happiness in our lives and never disappoint. Thank you.